watched the film and wondered how they make it look so good? What is the secret formula hidden in the visuals making a story so compelling? Well, today, we're going to deconstruct the secret sauce. We're diving into an essential skill for any filmmaker, how to read cinematography. Understanding cinematography can elevate your appreciation of films and boost your filmmaking skills. So let's get started. Cinematography is the art of visual storytelling. It's not just about capturing images, but about using those images to convey emotion, narrative, and meaning. Our focus today will be on these main aspects: composition, lighting, camera movement, color, and lens choice. Let's explore each of those elements in detail. When it comes to composition, who's the first person you think of? That's right, good old Wes Anderson. No? Really? You're thinking of someone else? Wow. Well, there's a few more minutes in this video before we're simpatico, so we got time, don't worry, I believe in us. Anywho, composition is about how the elements are arranged in the frame. When analyzing composition, look for elements like the rule of thirds, leading lines, symmetry, and framing. Notice how these techniques guide your eye and contribute to the overall mood and story of the scene. Many Wes Anderson films like Found It, The Grand Budapest Hotel are known for their symmetrical compositions and their pleasing and orderly feels. Let's go watch it. You can notice right away that he has a style, like he has this OCD thing about central framing and being symmetrical. Question, is there a Wes Anderson film that isn't symmetrical? If so, please comment below with the link. Next, let's examine lighting. Lighting sets the tone and atmosphere of a scene. In Blade Runner 2049, Roger Deakins uses lighting to create a moody and futuristic world. Pay attention to the quality of light, whether it's hard or soft, the direction it's coming from, and how it shapes the characters and environments. The neon lighting creates a futuristic, dystopian feel. Some say Roger Deakins is the GOAT. What do you say? Comment below, love to hear your thoughts. Going from the so-called GOAT to the underrated GOAT is James Laxton. He shot the Academy Award-winning film Moonlight. The naturalistic lighting enhances the realism and emotional depth of the story. It's a beautiful film, by the way, too. Now, on to the man literally nicknamed Chivo, which is Spanish for GOAT. 3-time, back-to-back, like he's Kobe Shaq, Academy Award-winning cinematographer Emmanuel Lubitsky. His use of natural light in The Revenant immerses you in the harsh, unforgiving wilderness. Personally, I'm a fan of naturalistic lighting, and I always try to think of how I see the world through what my eyes see visually. Here are some examples from the films I worked on to further enhance this discussion. When lighting, consider the source, the direction, color, and intensity of light. Notice how the shadows and highlights are used to create depth and texture. Lighting can dramatically change the feel of a scene, so in my opinion, this is a super crucial element to study. I'm specifically talking to the future cinematographers out there. Without understanding what light can do, what you can do with lighting, your progress will be slow. Now, moving from one super crucial aspect to another critical aspect, we have camera movement. Honestly, this is my favorite topic. Different movements like pans, tilts, dollies, and handheld shots each have their own emotional impact. Oh, and side note, not everything is called pan, specifically to you directors out there who get that confused with a tilt. As a cinematographer, it's up to you to create those stories of emotional impact through camera movement. Something I did for the short film Underground Overture was each character has specific camera movement for them. Chico was on sticks because he was calculating and he's focused and dialed in, while Dez is always moving and the camera has to be kinetic with her. The rules did break when we got towards the big confrontation, but again, it was part of the plan the director and I discussed. Always pay attention to how the camera moves as well. Is it smooth or shaky? Fast or slow? How does the movement make you feel, and how does it serve the story? Understanding these choices help you appreciate the director and cinematographer's vision. But hold up, before we move on, please, for the love of God, I repeat, do not do movement for movement's sake, especially to all you gimbal bros out there. I know what you do. I see it. You're on YouTube a lot. Sometimes a static image is as impactful as a camera move. Fourth, we have color. When creating a movie or watching a movie, look at the color palette of a scene. Are the colors warm or cool, saturated or muted? How do the colors make you feel? What might they symbolize? A perfect example of symbolic color is The Matrix. In The Matrix, the use of green tint in the Matrix scenes and blue tint in the real world help distinguish the two realities. Color can invoke emotion, symbolize themes, and unify the visual style of a film. An example I can think of also is Breaking Bad. Look at the way the color palette transforms from season 1 to season 5. Color grading is a deliberate choice that enhances the storytelling. You want to know what else is a deliberate choice too? Lenses. Yeah, that's right, we're finally on the same wavelength here. Now pay attention to the lenses being used in the scene. Is it a wide-angle lens, a normal, or telephoto lens? How does it affect the perspective and focus? Are they using primes or zoom lenses? Understanding lens choice helps you appreciate the technical and artistic decisions behind a shot. As cheesy as this is going to sound, your lenses are your different paintbrushes. Each brush is used for specific things, and that's how you have to see your lenses. That's a wrap on how to read cinematography. By analyzing composition, lighting, camera movement, colors, and lens choice, you can gain a deeper understanding of the visual language of film. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more filmmaking tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep chasing those frames, guys.